Today we will show you the LB-Link Wireless Wi-Fi Bluetooth Adapter WN300BT. The model of the product is Bell WN300BT, which supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.0. It adopts a blister packaging that is easy to open, making it convenient for us to unpack. Let's show what it looks like after opening it, the packaging, the cardboard, and the product. The USB interface uses standard USB hardware components, which can be adapted to any USB port. It allows desktop computers without Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to use Wi-Fi and Bluetooth.